Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You start in Google Calendar. Open the web app or the Android app now. Once done, go to Settings and select Event Settings on web or Notifications on mobile. You need to choose which calendar and event type you want to change. Make that selection immediately so you don't change a default you don't intend to. If you're on Android, ensure the custom audio file is saved in a standard media folder. On iPhone, know that Calendar uses system ringtones rather than custom files. You now pick the exact notification channel. On the web, select a calendar, go to Event Notifications, and either add or edit a notification. Web supports email and pop-up only, so sound control is browser/system level. On Android, open the app's notifications, tap the channel for event reminders, then choose sound and pick a file or ringtone. You can also set vibration. On iPhone, make sure you change the calendar alert tone in the phone's sound setting. You finish by saving settings and creating a quick test event with a near-future reminder so you can confirm the new sound. Once the alert fires, make sure the phone volume and notification permissions are enabled. Apps won't play tones if Do Not Disturb is active or permissions are blocked. If you still hear nothing on Android, verify the audio file format is supported and placed in a media folder the system can index. If problems persist, restart the device and test again.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.